Hello grade 5. In this lesson, characteristics of divisibility by 3, 4 and 9. In this part we are going to know whether a number is divisible by 4 or not. So let's do this activity. With the digits 2, 3 and 6 used once. فإذا بدي استعمل هيدول الديجيتس مرة واحدة and write all the possible numbers وبدي اكتب كل الأعداد الممكنة. So ممكن إنه نبدأ ب 2 أو ممكن نبدأ ب 3 أو ممكن يكون أول digit to the left هي 6. And then if we use 2 إذا استعملنا 2 ممكن استعمل 3 أو ممكن تكون تاني digit هي 6. إذا هون استعملنا 2 3 then we put 6 and here we put 3. So 236 and 263, and then here we could put 6 then 2 or 2 then 6. Here we put 3 and 2 or 2 and 3. So these are the different possibilities we could make a numbers from. So راح نكتب كل هيدول الأعداد 362, 326, 632, 623. And then divide by 4 each of the numbers that you have found above and complete the table. So راح نقسم كل هيدول الأعداد راح نقسمهم على 4 وراح نشوف remainder of division by 4. So the remainders are 3, 2, 2, 3 and 0. So here the question is the number is divisible by 4? We know that we say that it's divisible by 4 if the remainder is 0. So we divide 236 by 4 and the remainder is 0. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. In these cases, the remainder is not 0. So we say no, these numbers are not divisible by 4. In the last case, yes, it's divisible by 4. And then the numbers that are formed by the 2 digits to the right. فإذا بدي أشوف العدد المكون من آخر 2 digits to the right يعني من ال ones with tens. هون بنلاقي this number is 36. And then here we have 63 and then 26 and then 62 23 and 32. اوكي هلا اذا بدي لاحظ هون عندي this number is divisible by 4 and this number is divisible by 4. اذا بلاحظ هيدول النمبرز هن موجودين هون بالمultiples of 4. عندي 36 and 32. So بنقدر نستنتج الرول divisibility by 4 انه ليكون divisible by 4 لازم يكون the last 2 digits of the number is divisible or is a multiple of 4. فإذا العدد لينقسم على 4 لازم يكون العدد المكون من ال ones with tens بيكون بالmultiples of 4. So the rule is a natural number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last 2 digits is divisible by 4 أو فينا نقول is a multiple of 4. فإذا natural number بينقسم على 4 على 4 إذا كان النمبر اللي مكون من آخر 2 digits اللي هن ال ones and tens هيدا النمبر يكون divisible by 4. So let's have these exercises. Without calculation, determine which numbers are divisible by 4. So كيف أنا بعرف إذا النمبر divisible by 4؟ اتفقنا رح ناخد last 2 digits to the right. فإذا هون في عندي 30 هون عندي 12 and 28 32 and 10. And then we have to see these numbers if they are multiples of 4. So رح نحط multiples of 4 قدامنا. And then is 30 a multiple of 4? 30? No, it's not a multiple of 4. And then is the whole number يعني هل هذا العدد كله سوا 1230 هل هو divisible by 4؟ No. لأنه the last two digits ones and tens هن not multiple of 4. And then here we have 12. Is 12 a multiple of 4? Yes, it's here. It's in the multiples of 4. So this number, yes, it is divisible by 4. 28, it's here, so it's multiple of 4. Then this whole number, كل هيدا العدد هو divisible by 4. 32, it's here in the multiples of 4. Yes, then all this number is divisible by 4. And finally, we have the last two digits is 10. 10, it's not a multiple of 4, then we say no. And then this number is not divisible by 4. So without performing the divisions, find out if the number, this number, is divisible by 4 or not. So how to know if this number is divisible by 4 or not? We look at the very last two digits. هون في عندي ال ones and tens. هون في عندي 16. 16 هل هي multiple of 4? Yes, 4 times 4 equals 16. So we could predict that this number is divisible by 4. So we say that the number formed by the ones and tens is 16 and its multiple of 4, then all the number is divisible by 4. Is this number divisible by 3? As we said in previous parts, حكينا قبل انه حتى نشوف العدد اذا هو divisible by 3 we have to add up the digits. لازم نجمع ارقام هيدا العدد. اذا جمعنا هالdigits رح يطلع عندي 45. فينا نجمع كمان 4 plus 5 يطلع عندي 9. when 9 هي multiple of 3 then yes this number is divisible by 3. هون عم يسألني إذا النمبر divisible by 6. نحن ما أخذنا الرول divisibility by 6 but we can say that 6 is 2 times 3. So number ليكون divisible by 6 لازم يكون divisible by 2 and 3 at the same time بنفس الوقت. So هل هيدا العدد divisible by 2? Yes, it's even number and it's divisible by 2. هل هيدا العدد divisible by 3? We said here yes, it's divisible by 3. Then this number is divisible by 6. And here, is it divisible by 12? طيب نحن ما أخذنا كمان الرول 12 ولكن بنقول 12 is 3 times 4. فإذا لينقسم العدد على 12 لازم يكون بينقسم على 3 and 4 at the same time بنفس الوقت. So, is this number divisible by 3? We said yes, it's divisible by 3. And is this number divisible by 4? Yes, we said yes, it's divisible by 4. Then this number is divisible by 3 times 4, which is 12. So, yes, it's divisible by 12. So let's have this activity. Is this number divisible by 4? We have to look at the very last two digits, ones and tens. 23, it's not a multiple of 4. So no, it's not divisible by 4. Here we have 115. 15 is not a multiple of 4, so we say no. 116. 16 is 4 times 4, so yes, it's divisible by 4. 240. 4 times 10 is 40, so yes, it's divisible by 4. And then 20. 20 is multiple of 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. And then we have 525. We look at 25. 25 is not a multiple of 4. So this number 525 is not divisible by 4. And well done till now.